always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on!
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. We've been waiting for you.
Mr. Goose, we've been waiting for you.
For me?
Yes, to tell us the letter of the day.
Oh, of course. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is L. L makes the sound L in ladder. Monkey, repeat after me. L, L, ladder.
Ladder.
Now you try.
Ladder.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Monkey, you can stop repeating what I say.
But lovely also begins with L. Lovely.
Well done, Monkey. And here are more things that begin with L.
Leaf. Leaf. Ladder. Ladder. Lamp. Lamp. Lion. Lion. Ladybug. Ladybug.
What letter do all these words start with?
L.
That's right, the letter L.
yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter L. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! L.
Great!
I'll try next. L.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. L. Ooh.
Nice job!
My turn. L.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
L.
Exactly. Uppercase L. And what's this letter?
L.
That's right. Lowercase l. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose. L.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
E.
What's this letter?
F.
What's this letter?
L.
What's this letter?
T.
Now let's do it fast.
E. F. L. T. F. T. L. E. T. E. L. F. L. F. E. T.
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name. The letter T.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Lost Laugh. In this story, Hyena loses his laugh. I wonder where it could be. Let's find out. Let's begin. The Lost Laugh, written by Michelle Preen, illustrated by Karen Lilja, designed by Vilna Kombrink. Spotty the hyena is very sad. He has lost his laugh. Please help me find my laugh, Giraffe. I can't hear a laugh up here. Please help me find my laugh, Hippo. I can't hear a laugh down here. Please help me find my laugh, Warthog. I can't hear a laugh in here. Please help me find my laugh, Monkey. How did you lose it? When I laugh, you can see my big teeth. That makes everyone frightened, said Spotty. Then I got sad and my laugh just disappeared. I can't find it anywhere. But you were looking in the wrong place. Monkey jumped out of the tree and picked up a feather. Then she began to tickle Spotty all over. Slowly, Spotty started smiling, and then he let out a big, loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. All the other animals started laughing too. Where did you find his laugh? They asked. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy, and out it came. They all laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Spotty, the happy hyena. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called I'm a Little Teapot. And look what I have in my backpack. A banjo! I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go!
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Now let's count wiggle bugs together. 1, 2. How many in all? 2? Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the leaves. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many leaves are there in all? 5. You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the flowers. Yeah!
may take a while. See you soon!
This is tricky. Oh, there it is.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.